In today's video, I will teach you how to convert multiple JPG images into one PDF file using Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click File, then Automate, then select PDF Presentation. This will open a window where you can set up your images and configure the PDF output. Now we're going to add your images. Click Source Images, and browse your computer to select the images that you want to include in the PDF. You can also choose from multiple formats like JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF, BMP, and more. Then hold the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac to select multiple images at once. Photopea supports a variety of raster image formats, so feel free to mix and match. For example, you can combine JPG, PNG, and GIF images into a single PDF. Now we're going to configure the PDF settings. Choose the size of the PDF pages like A4 or letter. You can also decide between portrait or landscape orientation depending on how you want the images to appear. If you want each images to retain its original size, you can opt to adapt each page to the image. This way, each page will match the dimensions of the individual images. Photopea preserves the original image quality, so the images won't be recoded. If your images total 5 MB, the resulting PDF will also be approximately 5 MB. Now we're going to export your PDF. Once you have configured the settings, click Export PDF. Photopea will quickly compile the images into a single PDF file, which you can save directly to your computer. So name your file and specify where you want it to be saved. Unlike many online converters, Photopea doesn't require you to upload your images to a cloud. The process works locally, even if you disconnect from the internet after opening Photopea. This ensures faster performance and privacy. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.